I don't know if they know I'm their #1 fan. If you know, you know. Your pink fairy godmother has secured the goods for this year's annual Victoria's Secret fashion show. Tea is piping hot today because this is my Super Bowl. This is our Super Bowl. This is our girl Super Bowl. If you're having a watch party tomorrow, please leave me a comment down below if you're going to do it solo, with your girlfriend. Let me know what your plans are. I'm personally meeting up with my friend Diana, watch the fashion show together, and I'm so excited because we're going to set up the cutest girly fashion show watch party, and I just cannot wait. Before we get into the haul, I do want to mention, if you're looking to recreate this hair and makeup, I will be sharing with you guys that link below in the description box and in the pinned comment, so make sure you go and check it out. We're looking like a Victoria's Secret angel today. It couldn't be the most perfect look to film this haul, so I had to double whammy and film this in the same day. Go ahead and jump right in because I'm already wearing one of the pieces, which is the annual fashion show striped robe. They usually have a striped robe of some kind. I do have the one from like 2023 or something like that. It has the gold embroidery on it, and it's getting so beat up because I use it constantly. It's my favorite satin robe to get ready in, and of course we had to get the upgrade. She does say Victoria's Secret Fashion Show 2025 right here. The back of her is gold wings. Let me turn around and show you. I am not sure. Wait, this way. I am not sure how well you will be able to see that. You guys, I had to put her on. I wish I could hold her up for you, but we needed to wear her today. We needed to wear her for these videos. It's just too iconic not to. I am literally seeing little stars from turning. I think I turned too fast. Couldn't resist myself. It is my birthday month, and we have not one, not two, but 3 bags. I'm not even gonna attempt to hold the 3rd one because there's a heavy item in there. Let's go ahead and get started. I will say there's a couple of things that I did order online that have not came in time for this video, but I will overlay them right here because these are iconic and I needed to have them. But of course we had to get the giant body spray with body sprays, and I got more body sprays because I never want to run out of this body spray. I went in store and smelled it. I'm going out of order. I'm excited, overstimulated. I'm ADHDing right now. Let's start from the top, shall we? I'm not gonna go in any particular order. Let's get into what's inside these bags. Let's take it. Can we not? I just love Victoria's Secret. I love how they package everything. I don't know if they know I'm their #1 fan, but I hope they come across this video and realize that I'm their #1 fan. I am a part of the Victoria's Secret Ambassador program, but I didn't get the Victoria's Secret merch. But it's okay. One day they'll see me. One day they'll see me. For now, we bought everything with my own money. Okay, so let's get started. Some of this stuff is not fashion show merch. Of course, we had to have this stripe knit, the lightest weight little sweater. Like, this could really work all year round. I can imagine wearing this over a swimsuit at the beach at night, but I can also imagine wearing this for the fall time. This is so cute. I did spot her on the website a month ago and I really wanted it, but it's sold out. And when I went in store for the merch, they had it. So I was like, we're gonna go ahead and add that to the cart. This is too cute. Honestly, you guys, I could not pass this up. This is just so pretty. Now let's get into some actual merch. I am really sad because one of the items I was not able to like find anywhere, and it sold out online too, but it's the striped slippers with the wings. So if you guys find a size 6, let a girl know. I did get the makeup bag with the wings because we needed her, and she's going to be going in my everyday bag with my toiletries because this is the perfect little toiletry size bag. I can imagine putting like some everyday like touch-up makeup goodies in here, my lip glosses, some menstrual things like pads, tampons or whatever, usually tampons. I'm gonna put everything back here as we go. So pretty. We of course picked up the iconic Glam body spray and the Radiant Wings one. I just love how these two smell the most, and they did have like a buy 2 get 3 free, so I got doubles of these, and then I did get the big giant body spray, so we got triples of them. Yeah, don't judge. But I will be giving 2 of them away to my friend Diana as a little gift for her hosting our little party tomorrow. Excited to gift her these because I know she's going to absolutely love them. These are actually hers because I've already been spraying mine, but I do have doubles of them. Like, one of them is right here, and this is actually glittery. You guys, this is glittery. It makes your skin glowy. I am obsessed, and this smells so good. It smells so sexy and girly. I'm obsessed. Did I say I'm obsessed? So the other one, it smells more like a creamy, like warm scent. It's very warm, still sexy, but more warm than the other one. The other one's a lot more flirty. This one's really warm and soft, and this actually has creamy amber in it, so That makes so much sense. This is also glittery and sheen. Like, it gives you a sheen. Very interesting. Like, it has like golden particles in there. Need I say more? Need I say more? It was an add to cart instantly for me. I was having a hard time finding that giant body spray thing. So I ended up ordering it after I bought this stuff because I was dead set that I wasn't gonna find it. So I was like, no, I'm just gonna take that as a sign to not get it. And then I did get it. So moving along, here is the other Radiant Wings one. I did pick up a restock of my Victoria's Secret Velvet Petals. It's my third free option because it was buy two and you would get 3 free. My mom and I love this. This is both of our favorite, and we've both finished an entire tube of this, like each, which is insane. But I do finish one of these at least every other month. Recommend. This is my everyday lotion, and you need. Velvet Petals is my favorite scent at Victoria's Secret currently. Iconic Glam one is really good. I just try not to get too attached to like the seasonal ones because I know I'm not going to be able to get them again. So I attach myself to one of their original line ones and pray that they don't discontinue it. That was bag number 1. We have bag number 2. I'm like, how many? 2. This is 4, 2. So beautiful. This is not necessarily fashion show merch, but I saw this and simply could not leave it. And I also needed to like satisfy a certain amount so I could use my $50 off coupon. I was like, yeah, we'll just get that because can we not? It is so cute. So this is a hoodie and it says Victoria's Secret in bedazzled letters. Ask me if I'll be wearing this all winter. The answer is yes. The answer is yes. I will absolutely be wearing this all winter. This is a small. It's extremely oversized, which I love because I can wear on campus for class. I can wear really cute with my Uggs. I just needed her, so we got it. This is going to shock the majority of you. You're going to be very confused. I'm just going to warn you right now. I'm gonna just, we don't need a disclaimer, but I will just say, your girl, okay, your girl still loves pink, will always love pink, will always be your pink fairy godmother. But I am in love with the gold rhinestones that they put on this year's robes. So I picked up the black. I think the black is so iconic. I love the contrast with my hair. Weird. I'm getting into darker colors, as you've seen, like for fall and stuff. I'm doing a lot of browns, but honestly, I've never seen a black Victoria's Secret robe that I've loved more. This is everything, and one of the reasons why I just loved her is because the front, when you wear it, has the little wings, and I just feel like if it didn't have the little wings, I don't know that I would have actually added to cart, because I feel like that gives it that little touch to where when you wear it, it's not just a simple plain black robe. It gives a little detail, and I'm all about the little details. I also love that this one was slightly longer than the pink one. This is a midi length, whilst the pink one is a short robe. So I liked the variety of having both. I feel like this is very girly, very sexy type of robe. This is definitely more discreet and classy and elegant. I feel like I would wear this to like go get my makeup done out somewhere if I needed to, like, you know, if I needed to easily change. I would wear this in front of other people, basically, like often. And this I would only wear like for myself when I'm at home type of vibes, maybe for some filming. It is shorter, it's more prone to like up and open, you know what I mean? And that one is just a little longer, it's a little more modest. That is not everything. I also picked up the hat, and I got this simply for the reason that I do not own a black hat, not a single black hat. So why not make it be a Victoria's Secret hat? Why not? Because it has a gold detail. You guys know how I feel about gold details. I do like black. You guys know this. If you know, you know. I'm a Scorpio baby, so I love black. I love contrast, and I do have an edgier side to me that's still girly, still a glamorous girly side, but I do like black a lot. I think it's so sleek and classy and elegant. It reminds me of Chanel, and it's beautiful. I'm drinking a chamomile tea right now because I'm a Victoria's Secret angel today. Duh. We need to drink any anti-inflammatory healthy tea that we can find, and chamomile is my favorite. Picked this up simply because it was clearance, and it's so cute. So cute. You guys might have already seen me wear this. This is a For Love and Lemons little cardigan. Basically, For Love and Lemons tends to, I don't know why this is on there. This is not part of the sweater. It's just like a little fuzzy that got attached to it. So if you're not aware, For Love and Lemons sells a lot of their pieces on Victoria's Secret, and they clearance them out often, and then you can use the Victoria's Secret coupons on them. So it's like, yes, because For Love and Lemons is pricey. It's really beautiful quality pieces though. I already own a few. I love them. And so when I saw this cardigan, I needed to have her. A little frillies on the bottom and on the hands. This makes me feel so girly and cute and just like still classy and like sophisticated at the same time, because it's not like too juvenile either. It's like really nice. I like the v-neck. It's really pretty, and it looks really nice on. It's really form-fitting too, like to the body, and the material is thick and soft. It's not like a sale, like, you know, when there's like the semi-annual sale, your girl can just go crazy and buy the whole store. This was not that, okay? Everything I purchased here was pretty much almost everything besides that For Love and Lemons. It's like full price. So I did have coupons, but it was still full price. When your girl shops semi-annual, it's on sale and there's coupons. So it's like I wasn't gonna buy out the whole store, and the two items I got that I ordered are the most expensive. I was trying not to go too crazy on the rest of the store, okay? This doesn't seem like a lot because the video is not gonna be super long, but anyway, we needed her. Victoria's Secret has candles. Victoria's Secret has candles, and we needed one. You guess which one I got? Well, you don't have to guess because you just saw it, but of course I had to get the pink one. This, when I tell you, it smells like straight up roses in the best way possible. It smells so good. It's so beautiful. It's so big. It's a 4-wick candle, and it, like, this jar I will be reusing as a makeup brush holder. This is out. This is such a beautiful pink jar. I repurpose a lot of my pretty candles. If you guys have not noticed, in like a lot of my organizational videos, I'm always repurposing jars like this. And if the candle comes in a pretty jar and I love how it smells, I can justify buying it for a little bit of a price tag, because this was a little bit pricey, like I think $60, but it's a huge candle and it's heavy. It feels nice quality. I am excited to burn this. This smell is delicious. I think I also need the white one, which was like some kind of vanilla. So good. They're so good. The candles, all of them smell incredible. I needed the pink for the beauty room. Well, I forget just how beautiful Victoria's Secret hauls are. Like, I don't know how to explain the serotonin of seeing like all the cute stuff in the bags. Like, it's just so pretty. I'm obsessed with Victoria's Secret. As you guys know, I have been for my whole life. I got introduced to Victoria's Secret as a teen by one of my aunts, and aunts, and I just have been obsessed ever since. And I love cute and girly stores. I also love like Love Shack Fancy and stuff, but Victoria's Secret for me is my number one. Will forever be my number one, honestly. So really excited about all these goodies. So want to go ahead and quickly mention that if you are a creator and you want to be a part of the Victoria's Secret Ambassador program, I'm gonna leave the link for you to sign up down below, because I actually didn't even know that this was a thing until they emailed me and I was able to sign up. I digress. If you love Victoria's Secret and you already do these videos, I would highly suggest you apply. So I'm gonna link it below. I hope you guys enjoyed this Victoria's Secret haul. I hope that you're watching the fashion show, and I am so excited for tomorrow, watching our girly Super Bowl together. This is my favorite time of year, when the Victoria's Secret fashion show goes on. I will scroll on social media. I'm not a big scroller usually, I'm gonna be honest. I look up ideas and things. I'm more of a Pinterest girly. I love Pinterest, but I'm not a huge scroller. I'm more so always like creating and posting content and like trying to put my phone down, because I do go to school and I study and stuff, so I try not to doom scroll. Has it happened in the past? For sure, but I have gotten in a pretty good routine of not doom scrolling. But for this Victoria's Secret fashion show, girl, I'm gonna be scrolling. So before I let you guys go, on my lips is this Starstruck Color Shine Gloss from Victoria's Secret, and it is so glossy and glittery and pretty, and I cannot get enough. So we're gonna throw this in, even though I know I mentioned this in a previous haul, because this is not new. I got this a while ago, earlier this year. So worth it for $14, and they usually have sales on these kinds of things. All right, guys, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, especially if you want to see more of the Victoria's Secret hauls and things like that. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any video requests for me regarding like or surrounding this topic, leave it down below in the comment section. I love hearing your suggestions. You guys always give me such good ideas for content, so I really do love to hear your feedback. I know a lot of you guys watch on the TV and you're not like, you know, avid commenters, and that's totally okay if you're watching on the TV shout out to you. Thank you. I am honored and flattered to be on your big screen right now. But yes, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you have a fabulous Victoria's Secret fashion show watch party. Love you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.